Hey guys, I'm DJ. Welcome back to the Vapor Hunting Technologies YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our series, I guess, on fire damaged items. If you recall, in one of our previous videos we did a cookie jar and a teapot that survived a house fire. Well, today we've got a doorknob, a brass doorknob from that same house fire. Got it on this napkin here because it's pretty gnarly, you don't want to touch it with your hands. And we're going to try to clean it up this time with glass bead. I know that we used soda before, but we're going to use glass bead in our vapor hunting machine and see if we can get this back to pristine. So let's give it a try. Alright guys, we're back and here is the final results of the brass doorknob. Nothing except Vapor Hunting Technologies can get it finished quite like this. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call at 828-202-5563 and please subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you.